Hey, it's Domke Shot, and in this video I'm going to talk about custom presets in the FX panel. First of all, what are custom presets? Every preset, no matter how complex it is, has a custom preset section in its options. Within those custom presets, you can set the default values. So if you change some parameters, you can always go back to the original. But you can also save all those settings as individual custom presets. So let's say I just put the contrast to 2 and activate Smart Filter. I just hit the plus button. Now I get a custom preset. And let's do one that's the opposite, another one. And now I can toggle between those different settings right within one preset. By double-clicking on one of those presets, I can give them a name, test. I could even adjust those settings by holding the Shift key, and I can rewrite this preset with the actual settings. Let's do it again. Shift key, click on the pen icon. Now I can rewrite them. I can delete them by holding the Alt key, or again rename them by double clicking on the text. Let's take the duotone preset for a second. Sometimes you have more options. Here, for instance, I can either take one of those gradients which are predefined, or I can define my own gradient. Let's do this really quick here. Place this, and I can create a custom preset with my own gradient. Let's just name this here own gradient. If I delete this gradient right now by holding the Alt key and clicking on this color field, it disappears. But if I activate my own gradient, it will still be there, even if I don't see it in the color fields. Custom presets are a great way to save your settings, especially for more complex presets. And the fun part about it is that you can access them right from the list view. So every preset that has its own custom presets is marked with this small white triangle on the right bottom side. If I hold the Shift key and click on one of those presets, I can access those custom presets right from the list view, and by double clicking on them I can actually just play them. If you don't want to use the Shift key or it's not working and you want to make sure you see the custom presets in the list view, go to Panel Settings. In the Main Settings section, go to the List View and make sure Show Custom Preset is activated. If you want to delete all custom presets, go to the Panel Settings, to the Reset and Backup area, and open the Reset Preset section and deactivate everything except the Delete Custom Presets. Once that's done, click Reset All Presets. OK. When you go back, now you only see those custom presets that are included in the original presets.